Making. I dig it. Whether it's using my hands on something tangible or in the virtual world on the computer using software, I love creating. And when I figure out how to use a tool, a hand tool or a piece of software, I feel accomplished. I've been doing a lot in both worlds by creating tangible things that I'm filming and then editing and sharing with you online. It's gratifying. It's challenging because you have to switch back and forth and all over the place into different frames of mind trying to do all these different things, but it keeps me going. I wanted to make this video where I was going to show you how I use GIMP to make my thumbnails. This is the one I was going to make, or I tried to make, while I filmed here, while recording it on the computer, and then I merged those two together. This is not as simple as I thought it was. Sometimes I get so engrossed I don't realize how long it takes. It took me about a half hour to pull this together, playing around with talking and doing it and trying to do it smoothly, and it wasn't what I wanted. I admire more of those that create these online tutorials and what it means to have a well-executed video tutorial on those kinds of things. What I pulled together was not that. So I'm gonna play with it some more, and I'll probably release something similar here in the next week or so as I fine-tune it and learn the craft of doing both of these things at once. What I did want to mention in today's vlog was just the utility of open source software. It's great. It's an ideal where this community comes together for the common good. There's very little profit in it. Some companies do pretty well at creating ancillary services that help you use open source stuff. And then there's technology that's built on open source software, and you can sell the product, but the software that runs on it is free. One of the wonderful things that comes from it is people that can't afford really expensive software or the licenses that come with annual subscriptions can often find an open source alternative to that software that they need. Check it out. There's probably something that you might want to use that you could get for free. Obviously, be careful where you get your stuff. Confirm you're downloading legit stuff, but just using some basic online digital hygiene and you'll be just fine. All right, check out open source.